Hi dears, nice to meet you again. I am going to teach 10th standard mathematics. The 5th chapter is coordinate geometry. The subtopic is straight line. So now, how to find the equation of the straight line? The second format. So already we see the first format is parallel to y axis and parallel to x axis. That is the two concept. Now, given the values of slope and y-intercept. So given the values slope and y-intercept means we can find the equation of the straight line. So how to find equation of the straight line? Here given the value of slope. The first one given slope. Slope we denoted m. Okay. The next one y-intercept. So y-intercept is denoted by c. Now we can find the equation of the straight line is y equal to mx plus c. The equation of the straight line the equation of the straight line is y equal to mx plus c. What is m? M is slope. What is c? C is the y-intercept. So here m is slope. The m means slope. The c means that is y-intercept. So what is intercept? What is intercept? The first one x-intercept and y-intercept. What is x-intercept and y-intercept? Here the x-axis, the line intersecting x-axis it is called x-intercept. The line intersecting y-axis is called y-intercept. For example, we can draw the line. This is a line. Now here x-axis, this is horizontal line is called x-axis, x dash x is the x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis, this is a y dash. Okay, the x-axis and y-axis intersecting point is called origin, that is O. Okay, so now the line intersecting the point, the first x-axis intersecting point is called x-intercept, that is x value is a and y value is 0. Okay, so a comma 0. So here a value is x-intercept and y-axis intersecting point is called 0 comma b. So here y value is 0, sorry, x value is 0 and y value is b. So y value is b. So b is y-intercept. B is y-intercept. So here a is x-intercept. So x-intercept is a, y-intercept is b. Here, so how to find out the equation of this straight line? Given the values is slope and y-intercept. Slope is m and y-intercept is c. So now equation of the straight line is y equal to mx plus c. That is the concept. The next one, calculate the slope and y-intercept of the straight line. 8x minus 7y plus 6 equal to 0. So now The first sum, find the equation of the straight line whose slope is 5 and y-intercept is -9. The first one, find the equation of the straight line whose slope is 5 and y-intercept is -9. So what is here given the values? Slope is 5 and y-intercept is -9. The first one, solution. Solution, given slope, that is m value is 5 and y-intercept, that is y-intercept we denoted c equal to -9. This is the given the values. Now what is the equation of this straight line? Y equal to mx plus c. The equation of this straight line is equation of a straight line. Straight line y equal to mx plus c. Here given the value is m value is 5 and c value is -9. So now substitute the value. Here y equal to m value is 5 and x plus c value is -9. Then here 5 into x 5x and plus into minus, so -9. Then y equal to 5x minus 9. Then the left hand side y is send opposite side 0 equal to here 5x this y minus 9. Then whenever you have to write the equation ax plus by plus c equal 0, that is the general form of the linear equation. Okay, so here 5x minus y minus 9 equal to 0. This is an equation of the straight line. Okay, the first sum completed. Now second sum. What is the second question? The second question, inclination is 45 degree. What is inclination? Here inclination is theta. So theta value is 45 degree and y-intercept is 11. So y-intercept means here c value is 11. So now we can find slope. So how to find slope? Here given the value is theta. So we can use the formula m equal to tan theta. So m equal to tan theta. Now theta value is 45. So tan 45. What is the tan 45 value? What is the tan 45 value? Yes, tan 45 value is 1. Okay, tan 45 value is 1. So here tan 45 value 1. So now slope m equal to 1. Okay, now we know that given the values of m slope equal to 1 and c y-intercept is 11. Now the equation of the straight line is y equal to mx plus c. The equation of the straight line y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to m value is 1. So 1 into x plus c value is 11. So 1 into x. So y equal to x plus 11. So whenever write ax plus by plus c equal 0 is the equation of the straight line. So here y you send opposite side x, then y you send opposite side minus y plus 11. Now we get x minus y plus 11 equal to 0 is a equation of the straight line. The sums is over. Then we will see next session. We attached study material, question bank, self assessment. Go through it. Thank you students. See you again.